God, it smells like cat shit so much over here.
Maybe you should clean up after your cats.
I don't. They do it themselves. They're smart.
One of them's smart. Venus is like dumb as shit.
That's why she lets me pet her.
Let's pick up all the Oreos we threw.
Yeah. 17 types of Oreos times like what, 7?
Yeah, there's 5 of each now. Well, I mean, there's 9 of the thins, so there's like. 91. I'll clean eventually.
Dude, this table has to come with you wherever you live, by the way.
I know.
Can I saw off like half of it, or like part of it, so I can take
one day we'll use like a sword or something for a video, and then we'll just like cut a piece of it out.
I want to take a bit of it with me wherever I go. Because this table has been through so much with us.
Don't hit the table, please.
Sorry.
No!
Mother effer.
This one down here fucked the whole thing.
Oh.
Alright, and then we'll shake the table and get a shot of them all falling.
Yeah, 2, 1.
Oh no!
Wait, it might have gotten it.
No, I don't think so. No.
Is the milky up in
No,
the
it's in
fridge?
the fridge.
I got it.
Ice cream's probably a little melty. Our freezer doesn't freeze anymore. It just goes down to about like 35 degrees.
That's what I'm calling a good freezer. Withheld, name withheld. Ice cream.
Don't read it. Trust, we changed the letters around. I think we fooled them.
In post. In post. Oh yeah. In post, you know what to do.
Alright, I got it.
Okay.
I don't know if you know our channel very well, but we've never made a good smoothie before. And we've tried
We want to change
a
that
lot
today.
of times.
We want to change that.
Wait, not yet. It'll leak. Let's do the Oreos first.
Yeah.
Ooh, this one got wet. Oh god.
We're shoving all of them.
We're running out of room.
Well, I'm pouring it all in.
Oh, you know.
Dude, this is a lot of solid. Oh! It's gonna blow up. Okay.
This might break.
Oh
it.
no.
God, it's inside.
It's inside the cap. It's all gonna come like shooting out now.
It smells like carrot cake.
Yep. You can't get
Here,
rid of it.
here. Let's do this. Nope. Wow, it's still really high.
Oh my god.
It very quickly turned to shit. Yep.
We need to try to get this cap off.
I don't know if that's gonna happen. Spin! Spin! Spin!
It smells like peanut butter.
Oh god.
Damn
We
it.
had one that smelled like peanut butter before too, didn't we?
Yep.
Ah. Oh my god.
It looks like sand.
Oh my god. I don't want to spill this on my bed.
It literally looks like sediment.
If you could see in there at all, you'll see Oreos floating. It looks like wet sand. Maybe it tastes good. Okay.
Everyone, whole Oreos are coming out. Ew.
Oh man. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Is yours a completely different color than mine?
Yeah, look,
What the
mine's
fuck?
like way lighter than yours.
Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at that fuck. They're not the same color.
Well, let's do it.
Wait, no. There's one thing first.
We're classy, right?
Didn't even sing, it's just sitting up there. Yes, that's the sound that glass makes.
What the fuck?
It sounds like you ever farted into a plastic bag?
Can we do this? Let's do it.
Alright. You know, what I'm tasting and what I'm hearing don't match.
You mean this?
Ah, good fucking Christ.
I don't know what to think about that. I come to a different part of the cup and I taste something different.
I'm looking at this, it's opaque. And I mean that as in like, I mean, seriously, it looks like we're looking at sand.
Dude, it's the polyjuice potion.
Mine looks like a darker version of the bricks that the school is made of, where it's just so many different colors and they all just kind of composite into one just... I mean, yours might look accurate to the thing.
That's really dense.
I want to reiterate, I've been buying these on my breaks for the past, like, month and a half. Maybe $40.
Pour some of your shit in there. Oh!
Concoction mud?
Yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Stop.
Oh, yeah.
Why are you like this? Hey! Yeah.
Is this what it's like when Shaq jizzes?
I'll be right back.
It smells like peanut butter and chocolate. What happened to it?
It's a buzzsaw.
Oh my god, it burnt it! It's burnt! It burnt the fucking Oreo!
I'm about to head out.
I'll figure this out. I'm gonna get the cat shit.
Bye!